Hey guys, welcome you all. You are in data session algorithm series. Today we are going to see Quicksort. Quicksort is used for sorting elements and dividend concave technique. So how it works? So each and every algorithm having set up instructions. So for quicksorting, we have a couple of instructions. The first one is they need to find pivot element. Pivot element is nothing but a reference element for comparing other elements. Second one is partitioning. Partitioning is nothing but just helping us to creating a subarrays from the parent array. So after creating subarrays, we need to sort that recursively. So these are the instructions of sorting an element using Quicksort. This is pseudocode. It's nothing but Quicksort is a parent function. It takes three variables. The first one is array, and the lower is it's just zeroth index, high is last index. So what we need to do, we need to find pivot index. So for finding a pivot index, we are using a partition function. So in this partition function, we have three inputs, that is array, zeroth index, and the last index. So in this example, I am taking a pivot element is last element. So then we are running for loop from zeroth index to last index. So whenever the if condition is true, if the first element is greater than second element, we need to swap and iterate the I. And once the for loop is completed, we need to swap that I element into the last index. So we need to return that I. I is nothing but that is the pivot index. So from the partition, we receive the index. So from the partition, we just return back that index. In the parent function, we receive the index that is called pivot index. Once we receive the pivot index from the partition function, we just split the array into two parts. The first one is until the pivot index and after the pivot index. That is, we have pivot index and we split it into two parts. That is pivot index minus 1, pivot index plus 1. Because these two things are not sorted, may or may not be not sorted. Then we are calling the quicksort function recursively. So here we call it a quicksort, and here also we call it quicksort. So recursive is nothing but a function for itself. That is called recursive. The time complexity of quicksort. Worst case is O of n squared and best case is n log n. So n log n, we already seen about all the n complexity. If you want to know more about n complexity, don't forget to watch our previous videos. So it's just a visualization of Quicksort. So Quicksort is having three things. The first one is we need to take a pivot element for the reference. So in the red bar is a pivot element. So in the beginning, it takes a pivot element in the last index and it try to compare with each and every element. So whenever that the jth element is greater than pivot, it will swap those two things. If ith element is greater than j, then I and j will swap. Jth element is greater than pivot, and j and pivot element will swap. That is the way Quicksort works. Hope you guys understand what is Quicksort and how it works. So if you want to know more how the Quicksort works, don't forget to see that sample problem solving sample problem under the problem solving section. So also posted that separate video for you, and please check that. And you can get an eye icon in the top of the layer. So you can directly click and go there and check the Quicksort algorithm problems. Thank you guys. Don't forget to join our Facebook group. And if you have any questions, don't forget to comment, like, and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.